Fox Business Alert, Ed Sheeran might have just gotten a shiver or two. A jury moments ago finding him not liable for infringement. Fox Business's Lydia, who is outside the Manhattan Federal Courthouse, with the latest for us. Hi, Lydia.
Hey there, Jackie. We're standing by because we expect Ed Sheeran to speak to members of the press here in just a couple of moments, so we're waiting for that. But actually joining us right now is one member of the jury. Come on over. Thank you so much for joining us. Share your name with us.
I'm Sophia Nice.
Sophia, thank you so much. You are a part of the group of jurors who just decided that Ed Sheeran is not liable for copyright infringement relating to Marvin Gaye and Ed Townsend's famous song, Let's Get It On. Take us inside the deliberations that lasted about 2.5 hours this morning. How did you all come to this decision, finding Ed Sheeran not liable?
Right. So the deliberations were really interesting. We had a really great group of jurors, which I'm, very young, and serving on a jury was obviously a big deal for me. So we had a really great group of people to sort of talk through everything with. And in terms of, our going through deliberation, we were obviously presented both sides. And, one side is something you can hear, and one side is a piece of paper. So that was obviously something that came into the deliberations and made it a little more difficult. It's not really an apples to apples comparison. So we were obviously relying on their own testimonies and also expert musicologists to try and get as much information as we could and make the best judgment. But ultimately we tried to just work really carefully through all of the jury instructions we were actually given, and then the evidence that we had. We did request evidence, and we had a couple questions for the judge, and we wanted to be really careful in terms of definitions and everything we worked through. So our process was really working really meticulously through the questions and making sure that we were all incredibly comfortable with the decision at hand, and then obviously taking everything that we heard in a courtroom and trying to synthesize for ourselves, what's really important and what's
coming to a unanimous decision here, right?
Yeah.
And really, what was at the heart of this issue, of this case, is the chords that were used. The plaintiffs were making the argument that the chords and the rhythm of Marvin Gaye's "Let's Get It On" was copied by Ed Sheeran in "Thinking of You."
Yeah.
But Ed Sheeran's lawyers argued, on the other hand, the chords as they were used, if they were used, these are basic building blocks that many composers use. And in fact, they played video that showed how many artists use these types of chords, these similar chords, in various types of music. Was that a compelling argument to you?
I mean, I think, to be considered in this case is the interest of one person, and we all, obviously, everyone on the jury wanted to protect the integrity of not only Mr. Townsend's art and his music and his legacy, but also, make sure we're, giving credit where credit is due to him, but then deciding what's close enough and what actually matters. And there were only certain parts that we could actually rule on, that were protected in any way and not just commonplace.
Right.
So, I mean, there is, a compelling issue in the fact that when you're, making music or you're a songwriter, there is a limited toolbox, and that was said a lot in court. And then sort of, as the jury coming out of that statement, we have to kind of take that with a grain of salt and be told what the evidence is.
Right. It's a really big decision, and we so appreciate you coming out and talking with us just moments after this verdict was announced. Ed Sheeran not liable in the copyright claims that were brought by the descendants, the family members of Ed Townsend. Just to back up here, this is a really big case that was hanging over both the family of Ed Townsend and Ed Sheeran. Ed Sheeran actually telling members of the jury that if he had been found liable, that he was, quote, done. That's the reporting by the New York Post. But of course, that's not the situation here. Ed Sheeran found not liable in the copyright claims here in Manhattan today. We're standing by. We expect Mr. Sheeran to speak in just a little while now.
Well, I'm a fan, Lydia. I'm glad he's not done. I'm glad that justice was served today. Great reporting, as always. Lydia Who.